Hey guys, it's me Marina and welcome back to my new video. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you all guys my skincare routine. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm gonna starting off with cleanser. It's from brand Luster and flavor is aloe vera. Apply Luster aloe vera deep pore purifying milk on the face. Massage gently in circular motion for approx 5 minutes. Now remove with damp cloth. Now I will apply milk and honey sugar scrub from Oriflame. Both milk and honey contains antimicrobial properties which help us to clean skin deeply. Apply over the entire face, concentrating on dry and rough areas. Leave it for 10 minutes and wash it. Now here comes the face pack. It's from brand VLCC. Apply generous layer on the face, avoiding eye area, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, rinse off. At last, I'm gonna use this sheet mask from Maskin. I'm using this honey. Now unfold the mask and apply it on face for 15 to 20 minutes. Look how I'm struggling, guys. I'm removing the mask after 15 minutes. Now gently massage excess serum on the face and neck too. This is how my face looks like after applying all the products. My face feels very refreshing. Yay, I love my skin and skincare routine. Let's apply some lip balm as lips are also sensitive and we should take care of it. So today my video ends here and I hope this video will help you a lot. And if you liked my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.